Even the other app's acting up. Fuck. Fucking kidding me? I can't even have that? Damn. It's fucking crashing for no reason. Damn. Makes me so fucking mad.
You can completely customize your listening experience. Follow topics you care about, like leagues and teams. Pause or rewind your local sports and news. And add shows to your queue to catch up later. There's a lot to listen to. So get started and download the free Odyssey app today.
CBS News Time, 11:42. President Biden is pardoning thousands of Americans convicted of federal marijuana possession. The Biden administration is calling on governors to issue similar pardons on state charges. Marijuana possession charges are more often dropped against white people, but more often prosecuted against people of color. The president is taking a dramatic step toward eventually decriminalizing cannabis altogether. And with Facebook possibly laying off thousands and Twitter bracing for an Elon Musk takeover, cybersecurity is ready to embrace any tech refugees. KCBS's Holly Kwan tells us one company with the big Bay Area presence wants to see more women apply.
That's because women think differently than men. Valerie Abend is cyber strategy lead for Accenture, which has 2,000 Bay Area employees and a big innovation hub in San Francisco's Salesforce Tower.
I think a lot of women think that you have to check all the boxes. Our research shows that how women approach the job of cybersecurity is very different. They look at the job descriptions, they see this long list of technical skills that you have to have, and they think they need to have all of them, and they won't apply unless they've got every single one checked. Whereas men look at it and say, oh, I've got 30 or 50% of those, and I'm going to put my hat in the ring.
A lot of these jobs, she says, are designed for you to grow into. Women make up 40% of the overall workforce. In cybersecurity, that's down to 25%. That should grow as our kids grow up, with tech being so ubiquitous. They'll learn about personal security and passwords, and hopefully that no job is out of their reach. Holly Kwan, KCBS.
Jane presents a tale of longing and long-lasting scent. Dear love of my life, we were on the 12B bus when I caught a whiff. A scent so fresh, so life-changing, I had to find its source. I didn't know if you were the woman in the pink freshly washed cardigan or the retired mailman next to me, but I knew one of you was my soulmate. Ah, the scent of Gain Flings. Add Gain Scent to even longer-lasting scent.
From the beginning, West Credit Union was created to provide a brighter financial future for you. We work hard for our members because they're our greatest strength.
West worked for me when I needed an auto loan for a car.
When I need to make a mobile payment, West works for me.
Put our premier savings account to work for you, now paying up to 25 times the national average. West Credit Union, working for you today, tomorrow, together.
And pay over time when you use your Lowe's Advantage card. Now through October 26, 2022. Ask for 0% APR with 36 fixed monthly payments on a product installation or appliance purchase of $1,000 or more. Shop for the appliances you want in-store or online. Or go to the store nearest you for installation. Now is Lowe's. Offer subject to credit approval. Minimum monthly payments required. See store at Lowe's.com for details. U.S. only.
Coming up on KCBS. The stars came out for the opening of the Mill Valley Film Festival.
Did you have fun making this movie? All you guys have a really good time?
Clearly not. It's a real bag.
It's 11:45 on the sports line tonight. Here's Stephen Langford.
The Golden State Warriors may be defending champs, but they are not devoid of any outside drama. As Draymond Green and Jordan Poole reportedly got into an altercation in Wednesday's practice. This was originally what followed were other reports across different publications regarding the incident, including one that stated there has been a change in Jordan Poole's attitude this offseason, as he is in line for a contract extension. Head coach Steve Kerr declined to answer questions about the incident, but did want to comment on that report.
The only thing I will say is that Jordan has been fantastic throughout camp. There was a report that I was made aware of last night. Someone put out there that Jordan had an attitude in camp. Nothing could be further from disappointing to see misinformation out there, but I wanted to make sure I made
her during the latest press conference. And next up was Steph Curry, and he was asked about the report on Poole.
There's a specific tweet that was put out yesterday about insinuating that JP's attitude or something has changed since he's been in training camp or even, whatever time window they're talking about. It's absolute BS.
And he felt it was unfair to paint the 23-year-old.
When speculation becomes opinion and turns into borderline fact of what actually happened. So I hate that became kind of part of the narrative, which is not fair to JP.
And Warriors GM Bob Myers clarified that he doesn't anticipate that Green will miss any games, but they will handle the issue. All in transit. Hey, it's Sean O'Brien of CGDG, and right now is the perfect cars, trucks, SUVs, and electric vehicles at all of our Northern California locations. We've got thousands of vehicles to choose from, with brand new models arriving daily. You can buy your new or used car from start to finish completely online with our exclusive no-brainer checkout. And yes, you can even reserve your new vehicle while in transit.
Now that makes me happy.
So be happy. Just shop online and buy online. Time enjoying your ride and less time at the dealership. Join over 300,000 happy car buyers and experience the fast, easy, and hassle-free way to buy a car with no-brainer checkout. Enjoy the outstanding offers you'll find right now at CGDG. That's CGDG.
KCBS News Time, 11:48, with the fog in at the coast and around the bay tonight. What do you see through all that fog, Frank?
Well, not much is the answer. At the Golden Gate Bridge tolls, we're looking at a fog advisory in effect for the span. Some very dense fog moving across the bridge, and we also have road work in that northbound direction from the toll plaza and up to Sausalito. The two right lanes are coned off. We have only the left lane open. We're not seeing much of anything in the way of slow and go, but again, visibilities are reduced along the span. We also have a fog advisory in effect for the Skyline Boulevard, Highway 35 interchange in Daly City. That, of course, right along the coast, and we're looking at fog and drizzle up and down the coast this evening. And looking at a new problem being reported in Pinole, eastbound 80, just past Pinole Valley.
With mostly foggy skies from the coast to the bay. Clear skies in the inland valleys overnight, just some partly cloudy conditions for the next few hours until about sunrise tomorrow. We'll start to see the fog clear around the bay, but stay socked in at the beaches. Highs from the 60s to the upper 80s and low 90s for the next couple of days, and then by Sunday we'll cool it down a bit, 60s to the low and mid 80s, or fall-like with the winds picking up starting the latter half of the weekend. Traffic and weather together on the 8th on All News 9 and AM 740 KCBS.
Side sleeping is better for you, and European Sleepworks can get you through any challenges it may create. They blend their meticulously chosen elements into a harmony of solutions. From their famous custom-fit oxygen pillows to their ingenious blend of mattress components, they somehow combine them into such a comfortable rest. And bodies of side sleepers. Come try for yourself at European Sleepworks at Adeline and Ashby in Berkeley, or online at sleepworks.com.
Every search you make, every click you take, we're watching you.
Are you tired of being tracked online? There's a simple solution. DuckDuckGo. It's an all-in-one privacy app with a built-in private search engine, web browser, one-click data clearing, email protection, and more, all for free. Download the app today and get the most comprehensive privacy protection with the push of a button. DuckDuckGo. Privacy simplified.
San Francisco Opera is celebrating 100 years of producing thrilling opera in the Bay Area. In honor of this centennial, the Dolby family is offering $10 tickets in prime seating sections to anyone with a Bay Area zip code who hasn't attended the opera in the past 3 years. San Francisco Opera's 100th anniversary season begins September 9th. Come celebrate with us. Visit sfopera.com/opera for the Bay to